God, you my everything, you're my everything. And I will not complain, I will not. And I can't even understand how much you gave, I cannot. But it's a lot, and that's just the reason I can't stop giving you the praise. So faithful, that's all you. Stay true, that's all you. Been my help, that's all you. Oh God, for real. So faithful, that's all you. Stay true, that's all you. Been my help, that's all you.
Oh God, for real.
Renew my mind, I don't think the same. Stay strong, know I'm changed. I remember that day God came in my life, and ever since that day I ain't been the same. What I look like trying to take all the credit when he took the blame and he took the shame. I don't want the titles, I don't want the name, and you can keep the money, you keep the fame. I was really out there living that street life, but then God came in and made me switch it up. Thought that I was doing it so big, couldn't tell me nothing, really thought that I was living it up. Then I realized that my life ain't mine, that's when I decided I'm giving it up. Could've gained the whole wide world, but to lose my soul, it wouldn't be enough. I had some good days, I had some hills to climb.